Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just got out of work and my hubby got my Boxy charm in the car and I just want to look at it. So I had my camera with me, so I'm just gonna kind of unbox it and then probably try it on later on tonight. Okay, first thing here is a brush, an Aesthetica P12 brush. Wow, this is soft. It's big. What would I use this for? I'll find out. It's for the brush. It says it's a face brush with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. Face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So probably put some powder on with this and stuff like that. Okay, then we've got 3 other brushes. Ooh, I'm excited about that. We've got an angled brush here, and it's a pretty thick angled brush. Feels soft. It's like a plastic handle here. Yeah, it's not wood, it's plastic, which is okay. I'm not really picky. Well, I guess I am picky, but shoot. Brushes are brushes. I'm excited. And then we've got this eyeliner brush, which I'm super excited for. Then we've got a spoolie brush. So that's that there. Then the second item is a blurring primer by Cover FX. Then we've got a lip gloss, an all-natural lip gloss. It is a raspberry chardonnay, and it's 0.28 ounces. It has antioxidants and vitamins. Nice. Okay. I'll try that on later. You guys will see that. Then we've got, this is so cute. This is so cute. Like, hey, like, really? Like, this is adorable. This almost looks like decoration. Like just a little decorative bottle on your vanity, you know? But this is by Pretty Vulgar. It has 6 grams, so 0.2 ounces. And it's called the Ink #1 Blacklist Gel Liner with a life of 6 months, shelf life of 6 months. Who's calling me? And why? Why at this moment? Before we leave, because my time is coming up, the last product here is the Pure palette in Sculptor, and it's a face palette. Hey, this smells good. Whoa! Whoa! I like that. Smell it? It smells good, huh?
Put it on and let me lick your face.
You're funny. Even the highlighter smells good. We've got Originator, Inventor. Hey, these are like names that go with me. We've got Originator, Inventor, Founder, and Trailblazer.
Just don't show the back.
Okay. Trailblazer. This is so cute. I'm excited to try this because I haven't tried like a contour or a highlight or cup. Hold on. Babe, really? You didn't make me reach for the dang seatbelt with the cup is like right there.
Oh, he's following us. I'm just joking.
Oh my gosh, my heart dropped. I've got it on. Anyways, so I'll show you guys how these go on my face here in a little bit, even though I'm not feeling good. Bye. Okay guys, so I am home now and it's the next day. And I'm getting ready for work right now, so I'm not doing a full face because I usually don't do a full face for work. So
I'm just kind of like gonna touch up Rocky Mountain here. Went to Colorado, brought Rocky Mountain back with me, and then I got un barro right here. It hurts. But anyway, I'm just gonna cover up some of the dark circles or redness. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the Cover FX, and this is to get rid of. It says that it serves the purpose of instantly blurring and minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. So since I'm wearing no makeup, we could use a little bit of help with that, right? Ooh, nice. So it's tinted. That's pretty cool. Okay. It's like a tinted primer, kind of like the Professional. It's got a tacky feel. Don't mind my dog in the background. So I'm just placing that really because I'm not using makeup or foundation. I'm putting that where my pores are, where I need it. And I need it on my nose. So I really can't tell what it's doing right now until I pick up my mirror. Okay, looks good. It definitely fills in some of my pores. So I like that. That's pretty nice. And this is a really big bottle, like for priming. You don't need a whole lot. It's a 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce. That's pretty cool. I like this. So just a quick step. I'm going to conceal all of that stuff. And I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. I know I shouldn't put this straight on my pimple, but it's like really red. Okay, so I'm done with concealer, and you can see through my dark circles, but it's okay because I'm not wearing foundation. I'm not going all out, and I want my face to look a little natural. Like they're gonna see I'm tired, but not how tired I am, because it is concealing a little bit. So I'm gonna take the Pure Sculptor palette here with the really good. Whoa! Sorry, I sneezed like a guy. But the really good smelling shades here. I'm going to take a Trailblazer here, which is the darker illuminator, and I'm going to put, well, no, I'm lying to you guys. I'm going to take Founder here. I'm going to pick that up with an eyeshadow brush. This is a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease of the eye. And because I put a little bit of concealer up there, this is why I'm applying this here. Give it a little bit of warmth and color back to my eyelid, because I don't want to look completely muted out. And technically, I'm not using this as an eyeshadow. Technically, yes. Technically, no. I'm just contouring my eyelid, basically. Well, that is what eyeshadow is, but this is a real basic eye contour, okay? So we are using the contour properly. But who says what I can and can't do with makeup, right? So I'm using this gigantic Coastal Scents brush. It's a shader brush. And it'll work, but it's not my ideal shader brush to use on my eyelid. I'm gonna take Trailblazer here. This is, yeah, Trailblazer, which is a darker highlighter. And I'm gonna put that on the center of the eyelid. I didn't put no primer because remember, I'm not trying to go all out. I just want a little bit of pop on my face for work. I want too much. So I got a little bit of glitter going on the eyelid right there. It's very, very, very subtle. I'm gonna take this Aesthetic P12 brush that comes in the Boxy Charm box, and I'm going to pick up Inventor here, and I'm gonna put that on right here. Kind of like as a bronzer, contour, powder, a little bit of both. Dang, for being my bare skin, it really sticks to the skin. It's pretty nice. And I'm really liking this brush. It's really soft. I'm gonna quickly add some blush. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Vivid Sorrel Blush Rose Watercolor. You guys, I don't even know what time it is. And I got work at 9 and I'm just sitting here doing this video. I got up early today, so I'm trusting I'm on time. I'm going to take this fluffy angled brush, and this is by Real Techniques. It is a angled shadow brush, which I use for like blending. I'm going to take that one and apply my highlight with. And I'm going to take Originator. Did I tell you guys I like the names of these? I like them a lot. It's like me. Like if it's me, like I'm an originator. Like I'm definitely a trailblazer. Wait, I don't know what that is. But as far as inventor and founder, like yes. Inventor and founder of what? I don't know, but I like to think that about myself. Anyway, I'm gonna take Originator on this brush and sweep it up on top of the highs of my cheekbones. Oh, I like it. That is so subtle. But I like that, especially when I'm not wearing like, well, no, always. I like a subtle highlight, always. That's pretty. And it's definitely buildable. Nice. I like this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys? Pretty sure you guys can. Let's do the other one. Gonna add a little bit of that same one into the inner corner of the eyes here. Wow, wow, wow. I like this. I'm gonna add, for the sake of this video, I usually wouldn't add an eyeliner, but I'm gonna add a little thin line to, you know, near my eyelashes. And this is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. Okay, to do my eyeliner, I'm gonna take the Aesthetica liner brush. I was gonna take the angled one, but I'm not gonna use that one today because I'm not doing my eyebrows. I usually don't do my eyebrows. I just put like wax or gel on them. So we're taking the thin. This I'm excited about, for real. For real. Okay, so I'm gonna have to just stick my brush in there kind of blind. I don't like that I can't see it. Well, I can see it if I do this. Now I can see it. Okay. Now let's see how this works. Well, I love the brush already. Like, this is awesome. And as far as the eyeliner, it's definitely like, I don't know, it's just, I like it. I don't think I'm evil. It's really soft, it doesn't skip. It is pretty dark. But I love the eyeliner. Like, this eyeliner is fire. It's not skipping on me. And neither is the product, so that definitely a team effort here between the eyeliner and the gel eyeliner. I mean, yeah, the gel, whatever, you guys know what I mean. I have noticed that I can't think or speak clearly when I'm doing two things at the same time. Okay, that's nice. You guys see the difference? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fire, fire, fire. Hey, so I definitely like the gel liner. It's not like it's real soft, it's buildable to my, for, you know, based on what I just did. I love this eyeliner. It's truth that your tools, you know, your tools have a lot to do with the outcome of your art. So that's really awesome. I got that. I had been wanting to invest in an eyeliner.
Okay, but why do I keep saying eyeliner and not eyeliner brush?
I like this one, or I like the ones from Sigma. I just haven't done it, but Usually I try to stay away from doing my eyeliner because I'm too like picky. So I just, even if they're uneven a little bit, I don't want to do it. So I just like completely avoid it. And so yeah. As far as my eyeliner, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna do my mascara, and hopefully my mascara kind of hides the different widths. I'm using Better Than Sex mascara, by the way. So I have very low eyelashes and I hate to clump them up, so I just put a little bit. Like my cousin used to always tell me in high school, like she'd look at me, like she'd spend 30 minutes doing her eyelashes. She would do her eyelashes and her blush, and that was it. Oh, sometimes eyeliner. But anyway, she would spend 30 minutes on her eyelashes. And then when she was done, she would just look at me because I would do it like in 2 minutes. And she would be like, your eyelashes look ugly. And I'm like, dude, I do not have thick eyelashes like you do. I don't have as many eyelashes as you do. And my eyelashes are not as long as yours. So be nice to me, you know? I was like, you're a bully. That's what I thought in my head. I'm going to take, and Laura, yes, I'm talking about you. I'm going to take the Aesthetic spoolie brush. I'm excited about this because I have, like I mentioned earlier, I have a spoolie, but on my eyebrow pencil and eyebrow brush pencil. I'm taking the NYX wax stick. You guys, and I got my eyebrows done in Colorado. I didn't vlog this time because I kind of just wanted to enjoy my family. I didn't want to stress about anything, and I took a couple clips here and there. Maybe I might like put them together and post them, but you're not going to hear me like talking about what's going on or anything. It's just like I got my eyebrows down. I'm going to take Originator again, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone with the lip brush from BH Cosmetics. For the very last product, I'm going to use the Healthy and Natural, All Natural Lip Gloss with Antioxidants and Vitamins by Han Skincare Cosmetics. I should probably put lip gloss, not lip gloss, like something to keep my lips moisturized, but I didn't do it, so like that's why my lips look ugly. It's just cute. Smells good. I like the applicator. It's real pink. But it's a nice color. I like it. Okay, you guys, I think I'm done with the lip gloss. And I'm done with the face. Am I ready? Do I look ready for work? Do I look like a cute secretary? No? Okay. Well, I'll try harder next time. Okay, you guys, I am glad you guys watched this video all throughout. If you did, leave me comments down below on anything. I know you guys don't like to talk to me, so I'm just like, okay. I know some people have commented that they want me to do Aaron's makeup or Aaron to do my makeup, and I'm working on it. I'm trying to convince him, but it's a little bit difficult with him. But I will get to it, I promise. Don't forget to like the video. Share with your friends if you would like, if you're nice. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Love you guys. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.